my channel, stocks and books by Bree. Well, we talk about buying stocks and dividends, dividing and supplemental learning. Want the secret? Gotta read. Here we go over the fundamentals you need to succeed. Major keys, you might get some gems, economic gems. So be sure to go hit subscribe so you can stay linked in.
Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Hey, family, I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope all of your trades are successful ones. All right, now, family, I'm back to talk about the SPY, Apple, and Microsoft. Now, when we take a look at the SPY, I placed a trade on this, call option trade on this earlier in the week, and I closed out my trade with a 59% gain. Now, if I would have stayed in there for today, if I would have stayed in there one more day, man, I could have possibly, had a 150%, gain on my call option, but I'm never greedy. I'm not trying to be greedy. And so I'll take my wins and I will live to fight another day. There's always another day where we can make more money. Okay. But when we take a look at the chart, man, the SPY today had a nice strong rally. So when we take a look at it, we opened at 439, had a high of we had a low of 439. Actually, we opened at 439 and we went all the way up to 440, went up to 444, but we closed at 433. So another great day, phenomenal day. As we take a look at the MACD, we can see the momentum is coming back into the stock, and we also see that the oscillator here is beginning to turn upward. And so hopefully if we eventually get that crossover on the oscillator, we'll continue having a lot of forward movement, a lot of movement to the upside, and hopefully we'll continue having strong momentum and strong push to the upside. Now remember, even though the momentum is coming into the stock, that doesn't mean that we're always going to see higher prices. We could see some sideways trading. All right, we could see some sideways trading, but remember, man, look how far we fell below that 20-day moving average. And remember, that 20-day moving average acts as a rubber band. We never fall too far below, and we never move too far ahead. We always snap back like a rubber band. And so what do we see here? We had this low on the 20th of 428, and man, look at the snap back, right? We are snapping back to that 20-day simple moving average. All right, and so now what do we expect on Friday? All right, what do we expect on Friday? Well, when you have two successful days where we have a lot of upward movement, especially going into a weekend, there could be an opportunity where people begin to take their profits, right? Take profits and then chill, wait to get back in on Monday. And so we got to be careful here. So since we had the the huge sell-off on the 20th, all right, we went back up, nice uptrend. Now, when we had this uptrend here, we had a hanging man candle. So the hanging man candle could be a signal of a reversal in pattern. And we had the following candle trading below that. So that was a strong sign that there could be a reversal in pattern. But what happened? Boom, nice run up, continue upward movement. And here at the top, we have a small, we can't even say that's a shooting star, but a very, very small candle here. And so this candle here represents indecision. So this candle was the 1:30 candle. So represents indecision, possible reversal of pattern. So we could be heading back to the 20-day SMA. We can see right here on the hourly, we are beginning to lose a little momentum, but that's natural after you have a huge run up like this. So we could have some movement back to the downside on Friday, and that's all about taking profits. All right, especially when you had a couple of great days, man, you take profits and you live to fight another day. So when it comes to the SPY, I may take a look at the hourly chart, but again, I may just sit on the sideline and chill, take my profits for the week. All right, let's take a look at Apple. Now, Apple, again, man, we fell below that 20-day moving average, had a nice, strong downward trend, downward movement. And then on the 21st of September, we had a little upward movement. And ever since then, we are trying to snap back to that 20-day moving average. We're trying to snap back to that 20-day moving average. Now, today, we take a look at the candle. We opened above the previous day candle, had a high, came back down, and we closed with the doji. Now, a doji basically is saying that there's some indecision in the market, right? And so the bears and the bulls were pretty much at a standstill. But remember, look how far away we are from that 20-day moving average. And again, we had two nice upward days, so we could have some sideways trading tomorrow, or we could have a nice pullback because, again, after two nice up days, we may be taking some profits, okay? We may be taking some profits. So I'm going to continue watching Apple, and I'm not really keen on making a move at the present moment based on the development of the daily candle. But when we take a look at the hourly candles, all right, so when we take a look at the hourly candle, we had, the nice downtrend on the hourly scale. Then we had the reversal and pattern to the upside. And so from September 20th, all right, to the 23rd, we've had nice upward movement. Now we see here, right, after this nice uptrend, we're being met with a lot of doji candles, right? So again, each doji candle represents a fight, an even battle between the bulls and the bears. And so now we've had a lot of settling out. The stock is starting to trade a little sideways. So let's wait and see how things open tomorrow. Again, we could be in profit taking mode, so we could stay flat, or we could come back, or we could boost up a little higher. But let's continue watching the candles. So we're going to let the candles dictate how we move. All right, we're going to let the candles dictate how we trade. All right, now again, I'm on the sidelines for Apple. I'll continue watching it, and I will watch how the daily candle closes on Friday. And remember, family, you don't have to trade every single day. Patience. All right. Now let's take a look at Microsoft. Again, Microsoft, man, we know what Microsoft is doing, right? It is beautiful, beautiful upward movement, beautiful upward trend. And there's no denying the power and the force that is Microsoft. All right, so let's take a look. Now, we did have a pullback quite naturally, as all other stocks did, but past few days we've been moving up. Again, we had this huge candle here, huge sell-off, but the bears and the bulls, they were at a good fight, right? The bears here forced this price all the way down, but the bulls came rushing in. And so again, this was a strong fight between the bulls and the bears. All right, next couple of days here, man, the past 2 days, the bulls have definitely been winning. We are back to that 20-day SMA. Now let's see what happens on Friday. Will it be profit taking, or will we get above that 20-day SMA and begin to form a new upward movement? All right, again, we trade based on candlestick development, and we can trade using the 20-day SMA. All right, so we take a look at the history of Microsoft against the 20-period simple moving average. We can see that once it crosses above that simple moving average, man, we move up nicely. We come back to that 20 to 20 acts as a support, and we springboard off of it to new highs, right? We settle, we trade sideways, we springboard off of the 20 again. So hopefully, once we get above this 20-day simple moving average, we can continue moving upward. We can continue having more movement to the upside. But remember, Friday, we've had some great days, past couple of days. It could be a profit-taking day. All right, it could be a profit-taking day. All right, so again, I've had a great week. My trades have been well. My trades have been successful, and I'm sitting on the sideline, and I'm going to wait for the perfect setup. All right, I'm going to wait to get the setup that I like, right? And put myself in a position where I can succeed. All right. Again, never chase, right? Just like, you have to treat the stock market like you treat that significant other. You know what I'm saying? You never chase the significant other. You let that significant other fall into your arms, right? Then you can do the things that you desire to do. All right. So the stock market right now, this is my significant other, and I'm waiting for my candlesticks, my price action to fall into my arms. All right. Now, family, I hope I added a little bit of value to you today. Now, if I did, hey, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.